Have you ever wondered what makes a baby boy and a baby girl a girl, right from the very beginning? The journey inside the womb is one of nature's most incredible stories. And the differences between the sexes start appearing much earlier than you might think. It's not just about what we see on an ultrasound scan. It's a fascinating tale written in our DNA. It all starts at conception with a single tiny cell. This cell holds the blueprint for a new life, including the chromosomes that determine the baby's sex. If the sperm carries a Y chromosome, it's a boy. If it carries an X chromosome, it's a girl. For the first 6 weeks, all embryos look exactly the same. They are on a neutral development path, like a blank canvas waiting for the master artist. Then, around week 7, a crucial switch is flipped. In boys, a gene on the Y chromosome called the SRY gene kicks into action. Think of it as the master switch for maleness. This gene triggers the development of testes, which will start producing the hormone testosterone. This is where the paths really begin to diverge. Testosterone is the key player for baby boys. It orchestrates a cascade of changes, from the development of male reproductive organs to even influencing the brain. Interestingly, studies suggest that testosterone exposure in the womb can affect everything from finger-length ratios to certain behavioral tendencies later in life. For example, boys tend to have a longer ring finger compared to their index finger, a trait linked to prenatal testosterone levels. Now, what about the girls? In the absence of that SRY gene and the testosterone surge, the embryo naturally follows the female development path. The gonads develop into ovaries, which will eventually house all the eggs a woman will ever have. It's not a passive process. It's an equally complex and beautifully orchestrated development, guided by a different set of genetic instructions. The default setting in human development is female, and it's the Y chromosome that actively steers development in a different direction. As the weeks go by, these hormonal differences continue to shape the developing baby. For instance, the timing of certain developmental milestones can vary slightly. Some research suggests that baby girls might mature their skeletons a bit faster in the womb, while boys tend to grow slightly longer and heavier on average by the time they are born. Even their movements might differ. Some ultrasound technicians have anecdotally reported that boys tend to be a bit more active, while girls might show more refined mouth movements, possibly preparing for social interaction and language. Of course, these are just general tendencies, and every baby is a unique individual. Brain development is another fascinating area. Both male and female brains are bathed in hormones, but the type and timing differ. Estrogen plays a major role in female brain development, while testosterone shapes the male brain. These hormonal influences might wire the brains slightly differently, potentially affecting how they process information, emotions, and even how they respond to stress later in life. For instance, the corpus callosum, the bundle of nerves, Connecting the left and right brain hemispheres is sometimes observed to be larger in females, which some scientists believe might contribute to better communication between the two sides of the brain. By the third trimester, these subtle differences are well established, from the structure of their internal organs to the wiring of their brains. Baby boys and girls have been on their own unique journeys. But despite these differences, the most important thing is the miracle they share, the journey of life itself. Each step, from that first cell division to their first breath, is a testament to the intricate and beautiful process of human development. So, the next time you see a newborn baby, remember the incredible 9-month-long secret journey they've just completed, a journey where tiny genetic codes and hormonal signals sculpted them into the unique boy or girl they are today. It's a powerful reminder that our differences are woven into our very being right from the start. Thanks for watching this incredible journey with us. If you found this as fascinating as I do, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations into the wonders of science and life. See you next time.